Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Oh no. Not again. Who's this guy? His camera's clearly not working. I thought this guy was professional. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. Oh my god. I look like a ghost. Oh my god. What's going on? What's going on, my friends? Hope you're doing well. Let's go see if this will This will switch back. Let's see. Oh, he's handsome again. He's handsome again. I don't know what's with this camera, man. This camera's on some next level stuff, man. It's trying to rug me all the time. We aware. What's going on, my friend? Oh, man, we are sick, guys. We are sick, but we're here. Oh, man. We got that jasmine tea, trying to get better. Ugh. But we're here. We just finished Trading Wars. We survived. We're on to the next round just by the skin of our teeth. However, we survived. So that's all I was planning on doing, is surviving. What's going on, chat? What's going on? How's your Monday, guys? Guys, this is crazy. Bitcoin's flying off the handles, man. How's your Monday been, man? We got Trade Intuition in the chat. What's going on, my man? French Toaster. Dave P. What's going on, Dave P? B Team Crypto, always here. Always here. French Toaster. Dale Edgecombe. What's going on, my man? Crypto Gamer. What's going on? Crypto Gamer. That GameFi is going to be absolutely insane. Multi-sig dummy comes through. What's going on to you, man? We got All Set, Jeanette, Chili Rainbow. I mean, your guys' names are amazing. King D, what's going on? Didn't get to watch the new Trading Wars. How did you do, Alex? Well, we survived. We did all right. We were like plus $18 or something. Got a little bit wrecked on the ADA trade that they made me force take, but that's all right. David Brumbelow, what's going on, my man? How you doing, my brother? How you doing? Blockchain Bonehead also coming through. My guys. You guys were coming through, smashing up them like buttons, throwing the otters in the chat, supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I might not be as hyper and crazy today, but we can still do some charting. We are up today, making some gains. We have made some gains. Before I jump into this, let's go over and help out our friend Trade Intuition over here. Go check out his channel. He's got 100. This guy was at 38 subscribers, okay? This guy was at 38 subscribers. We're going to keep shilling you. We're going to keep shilling you Trade Intuition, so be prepared for some Otter Gang friendliness. Much love to you, Trade Intuition. Make sure you guys go check out Trade Intuition. A lot of valuable stuff here, guys. A lot of valuable stuff. I'll be watching some more of your videos sooner rather than later. So we like to support. I mean, I remember when I was down there and I had like 2 people watching my stream. Now I got 3. So make sure you go support fellow people, trying to bring you guys value. I know it's not an easy gig out here, so we always try to support fellow YouTubers. Just in, Google updates policy allowing Bitcoin and crypto trust products to be advertised. Okay, so guys, we got this big China bank, this big China real estate company going insolvent. They're going bankrupt. Kind of bad for them. Then we got Google allowing us to put on ads. Okay, Google's like, you know what, BlackRock, I got you. I'll hold your beer. BlackRock, I got you, man. So pretty wild in the crypto world. And guys, we're flying, man. This is a blessing in disguise. I don't know about you guys. Did you guys fill up any bags down here around 39,000? I just want to know. Put a 1 in the chat. See, I didn't even do a poll today. Oh my God, we're gonna have to do a poll. Okay, we're gonna do a classic. We're gonna do a classic poll so that you guys can tell me. What are we going to do? We're going to climb a mountain with roller skates on? Are we going to climb? What do you guys want to do with a poll on? Do you want to just do 40,000 versus 52,000 versus, I don't know. What do you guys want? I'm doing a poll right now as we speak. See, I'm multitasking. Don't let the women tell you men can't multitask, because we're out here doing it, okay? There we go. All right, there's the poll. French Toaster, welcome to the Otter Gang muscle, man. Welcome. French Toaster, man. You've always been a member here in my heart. Thank you so much for being a part of the gang. And he's gifted Trade Intuition is now part of the Otter gang. I mean, what's going on? Let's see it, man. That's awesome. Throw some otters in the chat. Trade Intuition and French Toaster Otter gang members, man. God bless you, French Toaster. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, for being part of the community, helping us. Even when we're sick, we're showing up for you guys. So we're out here. I lost my gym membership. Uh-oh. So we got the poll up. We want to know, what if you had some superpowers, which ones do you want? Do you want to be able to go invisible? Do you want to be able to jump high? Now, I mean like jump. I mean like jump up a building kind of jump, you know? Teleport. A lot of you guys want to teleport, and I like to click for any food. Guys, you go be like lasagna, cannelloni, apple pie. Mario in the chat. What's going on, my man? Darren Does says, Bitlay, good job on what I watched today of Trading Wars. Alex O, thank you so much. Darren Does Things, always supporting this channel. Andy Lee in the chat. What's going on? Oh, man. It's good to have you guys here, man. Thank you so much for your support. And, you know, Trading Wars was interesting. It was very chop today. It was chop. We took a nice little long on Tia. Injective, we were looking for that short, this break here. Look at this. This would have been nice if we held this trade. So we were looking for it to lose support here. We had the support line here. It took a while to transpire here on Injective, right? Coming back down. Okay. We were looking at Sui as well. We took a long at the end. Okay. This is what saved us. We longed here and we got out here. This is what saved us in the end of Trading Wars. Just watching that VWAP crossover, you can see it down here, right? Just trying to play the money, watch where the money's going, right? If the money's in, then we're in it to win it, right? We're looking long. So, bear with me, guys. I'm sick, and sometimes I start talking too much and my head gets like fuzzy. So, we're trying our best here. So, make sure we got ADA on an absolute parabolic move to the upside. This is pretty wild for ADA. We're up 7% on the day. This thing doesn't want to stop, man. This thing is rocket shipping. So we'll take a look at all these. We'll do some TA on all the rest of the coins that you guys want. But there are some things I want to bring to your attention for the week so that we're all prepared, okay? Because it's Monday, and we need to prepare for the week. However, we have gotten a very, very nice push today, so that's very awesome. However, we are preparing for this Wednesday, okay? So Wednesday is going to be a very, very volatile day, in my opinion. Yes, we have jolts tomorrow. So at 10 a.m., watch your trades at 10 a.m. Let's see if the jobs continue to climb, okay? That would be interesting. They think it's going to drop, okay? They think jobs is going to drop. They're predicting 869. Right, so we'll see what happens with the jobs. But the big one, the big doozy, we'll probably watch Tom Crown, Fed interest rate decision, and the press conference. So this is Wednesday. So be prepared. And then we got, manufacturing, non-farm payrolls, and unemployment rate. So it's going to be an absolute bonkers week, guys. So for me, be careful. Use a good stop loss. Practice good risk management. Pay yourselves, because we always want to be paying ourselves, okay? And we always want to be prepared for anything. Also, 20% of what holds the S&P this week is going to be reporting earnings. We got things like AMD. We got Apple and Amazon and Meta. Okay, that's Thursday. That's going to be a nuts day Thursday. Even Wednesday, we got MasterCard as well. There's some good ones in here. Pfizer tomorrow. You better take that jab. UPS, AMD. It's going to be an absolute bonkers of a week. Any one of these can move the market, making us hesitant on which direction we know which way the trades are going to go, okay? If you aren't part of our Discord, join us in the free Discord. Lots of great traders here. You guys were giving me dog signals while I was on Trading Wars. Much love to all you guys and your cute-ass dogs. Oh, look at this. There's a cute little puppy wuppy. Aw, Schaefer's dog. You know Schaefer's dog's that dog, you don't mess with that dog. That dog, Schaefer says Control Alt Delete. If Schaefer says Control Alt Delete, I would run really fast, okay? I'm sure that's his kill sign. Control Alt Delete. Oh man, Schaefer the man in the chair. So we're going up to Bitcoin here, guys. And what is this big ass red box I got on my trading charts? What are we looking for? Pardon me. We're looking for a rejezione. Okay, so there's a couple ideas here. We got Mr. ABC. Okay, ABC. Wait. See, I'm not even clicking right now, guys. I'm not even clicking right now. So we got ABC. Oh my God, I clicked the wrong tool. My God. If you don't want to like and subscribe, I understand. ABC. Okay, we could be looking for something like this. Now, this is interesting. This is interesting. So we could get that. That's something I'm looking for, is a correction. We do know that there is a ton of liquidity down here, my friends. Down here around 39,000. If we want to pull up our tool here and take a quick look, we can. So make sure you guys have our beautiful, beautiful CoinGlass heat map here. So we pull this over here. We take a look. We'll put it on. Oh, the 3-day will work. Okay. Let's go to the weekly here. What's going on, TradeFly? My man. What's going on, brother? So you can see down here around 39,000. We're still sick, TradeFly. We're just making it work today. We're surviving the day. Hopefully get our head on the pillow earlier. We don't play like the Lions did yesterday in the second half. And we continue to push on for you guys, even though we're sick. So, Jonathan Schaefer, can you confirm that you tell your dog Control Alt Delete and then it attacks anybody? Let me know in the chat. What's going on, Mark Dutch? What's going on, my friends? So 39,000, a lot of liquidity down here, right? So we've pushed up. Massive move this morning. Very, very nice. Okay. Creating some liquidity up top. Now let's go to, I think the 3 months will show here on what's going on up top as well. Okay. So up top, we don't have as much. We did get that sell off, right? So we would like to see it come up further here, where we can see, we're aiming around 44,000, 44.5, I think is our number. So lots of liquidity below us. So guys, lots of liquidity below us. Okay, so just to keep an eye on the prize so that we're all, pardon me. I just pressed the escape button on the dog. I apologize for my my disgusting sickness. I'm down with the sickness. And when you're sick and I got 2 lights on me, so it feels like I'm an iguana right now. Like it literally feels like I'm just getting blasted by lights right now. You know, when you don't want to look at lights, maybe I'll buy one of those sleeping shades so that when I do a live stream, I can just hide from the light. Because right now it's really punishing me. However, we'll continue to push on. TM, what's going on, man? How the hell have you been, man? Good to see you. But I totally feel like an iguana right now. So we're aware of the liquidity below us. We're aware of this ABC, but we could get some sort of correction to the upside here. Now, depending on how high this leg goes, right, we would like to see something like this. That would be nice, right? But depending on how far up we get right now is going to be the determining factor of what we kind of find here. Now, we know that we do have a beautiful golden pocket here, right? So we're aware of that. And the 0.5. So within this box here, we are looking for a rejection. Okay, also, we pull our volume across just to get a look here. And we know that our value area high is here. So we don't have too much stopping us once we get above that value area high. You know, there's not much volume, in a sense, to knock us back down. Now, we do have some key levels for you guys. I will be giving you guys the key levels that we are looking for, but this is just the area that I'm definitely looking for a rejection if we continue to pump here. Now, it's why I started with all the news and things that are coming out this week. So between 43.5 and 45.5. Okay, so it's a big window here. So we'll have to wait and see how the week transpires, but we're definitely looking within this area. Now, for retracement, depending on how high we get right now, so let's go into the 4 hour and let's take a look. So we talked about the liquidity down here, right? So we know there's a bunch of longs that are open from here. So you can imagine long open from here. These guys are laughing all the way to the bank, right? They want to be taken out. Now, where would a nice retrace zone would be? For me, right now, I think the best would be a retest of this current high right here. So not completely losing this level and coming back down here and chopping, but maybe something like this where we come down, we come to the bottom here, and then we work our way back up, right? So this high right here is a point of interest for me that I'm looking, because it could be a simple wick that comes down and continues our move up. This is a very aggressive move that we have right now, and you can see fair value gaps everywhere and all that kind of good stuff, where we are like looking for key levels of where our liquidity is and where we're looking for price to go. However, we do know up here's there's a lot more, right? So this waterfall action, we're back within this range. We're trading above the point of control right now, which is very important. So we flipped the point of control. We're pushing up. We're above 43,000. Isn't that pretty awesome, guys? We're above 43,000. We were just at 39,000 talking about 33,000. So it shows you how fast the sentiment in the markets change. Let's check it out. So we go over here, fear and greed, 55. So this was at 50 last week, where people were a little bit scared. They're buying the Kulo coin because they were puckering up too much. So now people are getting a little bit more brave, okay? A little bit more brave. They've started buying snack, right? Oh man. Living on the edge. Schaefer, you're not a member, man. You're not a member. Let's all throw everybody who's a member. Let's just throw Jonathan Schaefer's non-membership, not Jonathan Schaefer's, in the chat. He is a super mod, and that's all that matters. I'll ban all you green names. Schaefer, behave yourself. So we have love you, bro. So we have areas of interest. Now we could pull a swing low to the swing high here. So we're looking at fib from the swing low to the swing high, depending on where we get to, right? So this golden pocket to me is not like it's too low in my opinion. So I'm gonna go from like the start of this move here, where I'm looking at the value area low. So if we do get rejected here, we could be coming back down to the value area low, looking for a bounce, something like this, right? It's very dependent, I think, this week on what the S&P does, what's the earnings like, and we can see on the S&P that we continue to march into price discovery, right? Where we continue to move up, parabolic move, everybody getting bullish. Look at S&P right now; it's just off its rocker. Okay, the Dixie got a little bit of a dump today. Okay, this area at around 103.5 is holding quite strong, keeping us suppressed below this area. And as long as we stay below this area on the Dixie, we can see that we are in a very, very large downtrend, right? As long as we don't break key levels around 104.5, 104.2, this level here. Okay, so we are in a long-term downtrend on the Dixie. So that can be a lot of people holding dollars in risk on assets, right? That's why the S&P, this thing drops, we got pump on the S&P / Bitcoin. Okay, so we're keeping our eyes peeled when it comes to that. Can you just start over quickly? Yeah, me and my throat lozenges and my tea after an hour and a half of trading wars would love to start over for you. I love you. Bonjour, toaster. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien? Dave Digital in the chat. Tony Soprano. Much love to you. Mark Dutch in the chat. What's going on, my friends, man? Hope you're having a wonderful Monday, guys. It's a Pump Monday. Dave Digital. Hey, Tony. Thank you for slapping that like button. I don't see enough likes, guys. Let's get those likes up, man. We're showing up for you guys when we're sick as a dog. And we're going to represent the Otter Gang to the finals, hopefully, with Trading Wars. So let's go over it here. Let's take a look with this weekly close. Okay, we said the weekly close looked strong, baby. It looks strong. Look at that beautiful hammer candle to the upside, okay? That's some beautiful hammer time, okay? So we'll add you to our areas of interest here. And we'll add you to our areas of interest here. And this should get rid of them. Oh, what's this one doing here? Okay. What's going on, guys? So very bullish weekly looking candle. Okay, move to the upside. Absolutely awesome. Okay, this is looking a lot more healthy. Doji indecision, massive hammer candle to the upside. Now we look at market cipher here and we can see that the VWAP is starting to posture to the upside. Okay, so this is a good sign. This is very sharp too, might I say. Sharp posturing to the upside on the VWAP. Looking for a continuation, possible keep on rolling weekly candle here. So very good to see. However, we are aware that if we put it in a lower low, right? And maybe we get a push up here. What if we get some sort of bearish divergence, right? That's always a possibility if we do push quite dramatically. So we're very cautious on the weekly, looking for this to push back, okay? Looking for this to push back. So looking very good on the weekly, in my opinion. Now the 3 days is the sexy one, okay? Justin Eubank, I'm banking on you, bro. What's going on? So the 3 days is the sexy one here, guys. We got the VWAP crossover, the green trigger wave, green dot trigger wave. We got the posturing to everything's pointing up here. Okay, everything's pointing up. Money flow's coming up. VWAP, everything's coming up. We got a bullish engulfing candle here. Okay, beautiful bullish engulfing, pushing us to the upside. Another push continuation, coming up to this 43.7 mark, looking very healthy. Okay, so touch the like. Hashtag touch the like. I like that one. Otter slap the friggin' like. Oh, you guys want to teleport, man. Oh, you guys want to teleport. I mean, it doesn't matter if you're invisible. You can teleport multiple times. And hopefully, you're invisible that way. When I get home from work, I'm going to achieve a weekly high. Oh, you're going to smoke some broccoli. That's good, man. I mean, you're going to steam some broccoli. Steam it. Yeah, steam it. Mark is stroking the like button, guys. So shout out to Mark. That's got to be a Dutch thing where you're stroking stuff, man. You guys have urinals on the sidewalks. So, you know, them Dutch just do it different. And we love them for that. Let's see some beautiful cogs in the chat. We're licking the like now. Nice little jump on the subscribers, dude. Closing on 1K. Let's see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers within, I don't know. We're just here to help you guys, man. So 2-day looking good as well. Pushing up. Okay, a little bit extended here on the VWAP. Okay, almost there. So this could turn its back on us, right? We don't go up forever, but it's looking very good on the 2-day. And now the daily. Okay, so the daily, the momentum wave is crossing to the upside. We can see that we are getting this continuation upwards. The money flow looks to try and continue its march upwards here. Same with the stochastics. Okay, so for me right now, we have our key areas that we are looking to trade on the daily. Okay, so we had a couple lines in the sand that we have gotten through. Okay, so let's delete some of this. We're looking for the bounce still from here. Okay, so the red area here above us is going to be that rejection zone where we're looking for some sort of bearish divergence. This would be like on a 4-hour or 12-hour, like somewhere in our medium-term time frames within this area. Okay, we're looking for that rejection, continuation down. However, for me right now, I would like to see a rejection from where we're at right now. That would be awesome in my opinion. Now I know, oh, Alex, we don't want Bitcoin to go down. However, we can see that we have gotten over the point of control. However, it's been straight up, right? It's been a very just upwards movement where we haven't had that healthy price action where we have made some sort of retrace and a continue, right? We want to see the retrace, then the continuation upwards for healthy structure. So we're above this box here. The key one here to stay above is going to be 41,000. That is the lower part of this range, okay, the value area low, where we're looking for a bounce. So we're keeping our eyes peeled on that 41,000. That's going to be a key level. And then we're looking for price to get above 43,700, okay? And that's going to be the top of your 0.5 Fibonacci retracement to your golden pocket, which is all the way up to 45,500, okay? So those are two levels that I'm keeping a big eye on for the next couple of days. Now, we know that there's a lot of news coming our way. So we have our key levels marked out for you guys throughout here that will give you guys as we continue throughout this live stream. So thank you guys so much for smashing the likes, being part of this community. But Andy Lee, are they making you blush? I mean, they are quite handsome. Freaky Fridays, Prude Tuesdays, Moaning Mondays. We got urinals on the streets here in Belgium too. So you guys are eating chocolate and peeing at the same time. That's incredible. and you know, Canadians, we put maple syrup in the snow and then we have popsicles. Like, that's just how we roll, right? Andy Lee, we love you. Thank you so much for being part of this community and putting up with all these crazy testosterone males. We love you though. Otter gang. So jumping into the 12-hour here, now you can see we're a bit extended, okay? And we can see this momentum hasn't fizzled out just yet. So we can see that we are just continuing to climb here. No kind of real sign of weakness on these charts. However, as we continue to push higher here, you can see that we've gotten the crossover. Money flows in the green. Yes, we've gotten a bounce on our VWAP here. So we look for this to continue to push up into our overbought area, but we do look for that red dot imminently in the next couple of days. And that would definitely be, you know, I'd say we're looking Tuesday to Wednesday. So tomorrow afternoon, we are possibly looking for a little bit of a correction. We'll just be patient on that and let's see. Testosterone. That is definitely what flies on in the Otter Gang hangout here. And Tradefly is my twin, so much love to you, Tradefly. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out with us. I appreciate you. So let's see what Chart Prime here has to say. Okay, we did get a buy signal down here. We have hit a maximum profit target. So for me with Chart Prime and the Market Oracle Pro, which I know Eric Crown uses, that's why I like to use it too. The maximum profit signals could be an area where we're looking for possible rejection. And you can see we've gotten up to previous highs, grab liquidity from up here as well. This could be a possible area where we're looking for a rejection, coming back down, completing that structure to the upside, okay? So we're looking for that as we speak here. Now, look how loud this liquidity is, okay? So there's a lot of liquidity. Looking up here, we have another one down here. So we're kind of trapped in the middle. Like I was saying earlier, is that we're here, but we really want to come up to here or we want to come back down to here. So we're in the middle of the sandwich, as we always like to explain, where you got your buns and your salami, as you guys are all talking about salami and pepperoni and all that good stuff. So we're basically in the meat of the sandwich where we've had a very extensive push to the upside, right? So now let's go to the 6 hour, and you can see that we are getting into the overbought area, right? So we got a green dot confirmed, pushing up here. So let's see if it can get above here. Now we also want to identify where our key levels of support and resistance are. So let's go through and identify that. So we were first talking about this area right here, which is around 43,000, that psychological number that we wanted to stay above. And currently we're at 43,100 and change, right? So we want to see it hold 43,000. Now, when looking at this, right, and we look at this objectively, we want to see, okay, where's our shelf of support, right? So we pull this over and we can see that next shelf of support / point of control, and we can label that just so that we're aware, is right here, right? So we need to stay above 42.7 in order to remain bullish to the upside. However, you look at this volume profile and you can simply see that 43,000, let's say 43,600. Let's lower this a little bit to make it a bit more accurate. 43,600. There is a big shelf of volume here. As I expand, you can see where the shelf begins, right? So we always like to, for me, when I use volume profiles, I like to draw shelves, right? So I know that, yes, this is a big area where we have had consolidation, but where am I going to get a rejection from, right? So as price works its way up here, I'm looking for the rejection from the beginning of that zone. Rejection down, right? I'm looking for it there. I'm not looking for it to come in here and hang out. I'm looking for that rejection down, right? And that's how I was able to trade today. I had this area of 43,000 on my charts. I was able to take a really quick short scalp on this massive push to the upside, okay? So that's how I like to use volume profile. So acknowledge that we do have a good level of volume that could act as a potential rejection zone around 43,600. Now, we want to see that support hold at 42.7 at the point of control. However, if we do fall back down, though, I do believe that our next key level is going to be that 42,000 psychological level, right? And we can adjust this a little bit, too, to make that more on par with what we're looking for. And you can see there is a good volume node there as well, okay? So if we do fall down 42,000, we definitely want to stay above 43,000. The key, though, is 42.7. And then the next level that's going to be hard to get above is at 43.6, okay? So make sure you have those levels marked out on your charts so that you guys are prepared for that as well. Can you check out SNEC? Yes, I can check out SNEC. I will check out SNEC after this. Did you effing win or lose today? We passed on. We go on to the next round in Trading Wars. We were up like $20, and then we made like $215 trading today. So I say it's a win considering we're sick, Dave. We've done well today, man. We've done well. Thanks for asking, my brother. Are you winning today? Dave, let me know if you're winning today. I think you're winning, man. I mean, I think getting serenaded by Duke on Piano Matty B's live stream this morning started the day off right. If you aren't following Piano Matty B, it's a great morning show. I really enjoy it. And it's a great Canadian talented musician YouTuber who also does great technical analysis. So go follow Piano Matty B if you're not following him already. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour is presenting. I'm just going to think it's over. Yeah, it's overbought territory. Looking to cool down from these levels. Massive push today. Let's see if we do get a retracement tomorrow. Flipping through the 2-day here. Money flow still in the green. Looking like it's just typical flag right now. It's just a typical flag. So you can if you're looking to trade this short term. So for me, I would pull my fib from the start here all the way to the top. I would identify where my bounce levels are. So you can look for that 382 bounce. However, I would like to see it come back down into this area here. So, and you got a nice trend line following our support up here. So you can look for this area as well. And then you're looking for a possible rejection from where we're at right now. So where we're at right now, how would you trade this? First, I'm looking down here at our key levels. Fibonacci areas, right? Within this gap, right? And then if I'm looking to trade this, I'd jump over onto the 12-minute. I'd be looking for a simple bearish divergence. Okay, nothing yet. So I'm looking for a swing high here. Higher high, lower high, right? Something like that. But right now, it's just chopping, right? So flag to the downside. If we get a rejection from here, look for that to eventually break out. Okay, and try to challenge this 43,600 level that we have marked out. Okay, so definitely something to keep our eyes peeled on for the next coming days. Okay, and that rejection back down to this key box where we're looking for price to possibly continue its way up. But remember, the point of control is that point of control at the 386. Let's take a look. Start of the move to the high. Let's go to the bottom of the move. Okay, so we can look for the bounce within this point of control area. Actually, 42,700. Just because this is a point of control, we know there's a lot of volume over here, so we could be looking for something like that, where we do get a little swing failure pattern to the downside, and then continuation upwards. Okay, Tuesday is typically a pump day, but we got it Monday. So keep your eyes peeled. But as far as trades, I'm long, Ordi, Rune, and Cass all up, says Dave Digital. Yes, let's go, Dave. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. Okay, guys, so we got about 25 minutes left. I'm not sure how long I'm going to last. I'm not feeling too well. However, I will go over any altcoins you guys really want me to look at. First, we're going to go over SNEC. And SNEC, I gave a trade setup on SNEC this morning. That's kind of funny you asked. So if you go over to the AOCTA, we got SNEC here, and we're looking for that moonshot on SNEC. So you can see SNEC's in a falling wedge. We're looking for the bounce. Trade setup given and advanced over on the Discord. So let's go over the 4 hour on SNEC. You can see SNEC getting this breakout of this falling wedge. Okay, ADA has gotten a massive move today, pushing to the upside. Algo, okay, I'll add Algo. Absolutely. So we gave this trade setup in advance on SNEC. It is already up. Come on, 10%. This is flying, looking really good. We do have some key levels on SNEC that if you are possibly looking to take some profits, let's take a look here on the beautiful SNEC coin. Okay. Pardon me. So as we come up here, you can see that we definitely gotten a nice push today. However, gotta wait. Yeah, that matches up quite nicely. So your main level of resistance going to be at this golden pocket here. Whatever many amount of zeros, 12.8. Okay, so let's say 13. Let's call it an even 13. Okay, you got 13. You got 14.8. And then you got 15. Let's call it 16. So you got a lot of little blips in the radar coming at you. However, beautiful move on SNEC, looking for a continuation to the upside. Over on the 4 hour here, you can see you're pretty overextended right now. You've had a very nice move since the breakout. So look for continuation, higher lows, lower highs, higher highs, continuation. So you go over, I guess you can go on the 15 if you really want to. And look for this to continue its work upwards, right? Look for this. For me, anything memey, you want to be very careful, right? You want to be using low leverage, low margin, and letting the trade do its job, right? Letting the trade do its job. Okay, we got Algo. I hope that helped with SNEC, but yeah, look for that breakout continuation. We got key resistance along your way up. So let's go to Algo. What's going on? How you doing? Pollo? Much love to you, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I took an Advil before the stream. I feel like an iguana with the lights. But hey ho, we're here. Oof, Algo got beaten up, man. I see AVAX and Uma. Okay. And Price. That's gonna be me, man. You guys don't care. You guys just want me to work all night. That's 1710 algo breaks the holds is very possible. Okay. Okay. So algo. Let's take a look at algo objectively. So algo's gotten a nice little breakout here happening. Retest, looking to pop off. Okay, this is a good sign. Higher lows, continuation. Now we know where the big daddy of resistance is going to be. It's going to be down here, right? Just by eye. You know this is going to be the key level for it to get above. So you can see right now you're kind of struggling to get above where we are right now. And then you have some volume around that 1710. Hey, look, he put 1710 in the chat. Let's go, Pollo, man. You know your shit, man. You know your shit, bro. So we look for the continuation here on algo. You want to see, what you really want to see right now is you want to see this get above, right? So you can see there's kind of like a sell-off kind of happening here. So you want to see it break these highs, really. That's your first move. Then if you're looking to enter something like that, and you're looking for this pullback, right? And then you can pull a fib from your swing low to your swing high, wherever you get to, and then look for that pullback. So you can get the continuation to the upside. So 1710 is going to be your line in the sand for you to get above. And then your big level of resistance is this $18, okay? Or 18 cents. 18 cents is going to be. You got that C19 life, eh? Oh, man. I did one of those horrible tests. I don't have it, but I definitely got a horrible head cold. But we push on. So, yeah, 18 cents. But like you said, 17.10, get above that. Flip that to support. Continue your march upwards. That's what I'd be looking for. Definitely on algo. Okay, let's go over to AVAX. We got AVAX here. So AVAX got a nice move. It's kind of following Solana. Solana's had a really nice move as well. Not as nice as ADA. I mean, ADA don't care. But AVAX pushing up. We got the breakout of this downtrend. Looking to get back up. It's within this key volume area. So for me, ADA or AVAX, you want to see it hold 35.20. Okay, that's going to be a key level there. But look for AVAX to work its way back up to the point of control, and that's simply over here. So we can pull this up. But 38.78, we're definitely looking for that to continue its work up. Nice move here. However, if we do get a sell-off, right, you really want to see it hold this 35.2, and then lowest being 33.40. Okay. But nice push back here out of the breakout of this downtrend, right? We've been identifying all these downtrends on multiple coins here. So you can see a nice move up here. 4-hour momentum continuing upwards. The daily crossing over here. Money flows coming back up. Nice move here for AVAX. But yeah, if we do cool off, you want to see it hold this 33.9 or 35.3. Okay. But it's definitely got a good move, just like Solana did here. You can see Solana, same thing, falling wedge, breakout above the point of control on Solana. So a little bit more of a move. I'm looking to come all the way back up to 112, man. If Solana continues to march, 112 is not out of the cards. I know you guys all wanted to buy $80 Solana. I know you guys wanted to. I did. We good. We good here. Okay. Now we'll go over to UMA. UMA consolidation move up here. Let's see on the 20-hour. Okay, big move on UMA. We identified some key levels last time we did TA on UMA. We were looking for them to hold. Look at this. It's held. Okay, it's held. So we got two levels here on UMA from before. That $5 seems to be holding quite well. Okay, let's go over the 4-hour. We can change this now. Something like this. That's what I see. So holding this as support, you want to see it push from here, okay? Money flow has come out of this quite aggressively. Okay, let's go over to the 1 hour. Yeah, so right now you're flagging. Really, you want to get out of this consolidation here on UMA. If you do break out of here, you could be looking for a nice move to the upside. Okay, so something like that. Where you're looking for that. Coming back up to this $5.90. Okay, nice move though. Nice move. It's just really consolidating around this point of control. You have some key resistance above you here. And a little bit of support down here as well. This would be kind of like your last hurrah. If you lose this level, you're looking at $4.60. Okay. If you lose this level, you could come down and chop down here. But look for the breakout either which way on this kind of symmetrical triangle. In back-to-back meetings, but just want to pop in and show some adequate love. Retro Mike, what's going on, my man? Sorry, we're sick today. Woo! Retro Mike, what's going on, bro? Much love to you, brother. Much love to you. Hope you're doing well. I can throw some mics in the chat. Otter Gang, 1 month. Let's fucking go, man. I appreciate you, Mike. Mike, I want to know, are you a teleport kind of guy or what? What's going on? Crypto Poyo says he's got that level as well. Retro Mike just handing out memberships. God bless you, Mike. Thank you so much for supporting us here. Crypto Poyo, you can now make the crypto chicken. Look at that. Poyo, you can thank Mike. So now you're able to make crypto chickens in the chat. Let's go. Retro Mike, giving out those membership. Much love to you, my brother. Thank you for being a big supporter of this channel. God bless you, brother. Man, you got back-to-back meetings today. I even started the stream early for you, man. I'm always like, I come on at like 3:58 just to make sure we catch you. Andy Lee's now part of. Welcome, Andy Lee. Putting up with all these pepperoni testosterones. That's awesome. That's awesome. Let's see those chickens out of you, Poyo. Oh, okay. Let's go to. I think this is Dave. I think David Brumbelow. I think he's gonna. Oh, David Brumbelow was gifted a membership by Retro Mike as well. David Brumbelow is now able to throw the bumblebee in the chat. My God. That's awesome, man. Thank you so much, Mike, for coming through. Showering everybody in gifts. Green people, my work here is now complete. That's awesome. I think David Brumbelow is going to get PYTH tattooed on the tramp stamp at this point. I think he's going to get a... He's just been killing this coin. He's taking all the liquidity. He's the market maker. Oh, man. Did I have a different chart? Maybe I went on Binance for some unknown reason. I normally go Bybit. Jonathan Schaefer gifted 5 memberships. My God. Are you for real, man? Everybody, Jonathan Schaefer, throw the knots in the chat, man. If you just got Jonathan Schaefer, not Jonathan Schaefer. Jeanette was given a membership. Tony Soprano was given a membership. Jonathan Schaefer himself was gifted a membership. Dave Digital was gifted a membership. And Mark Dutch was gifted another one. My God. God bless you, Schaefer. Thank you for supporting this channel, man. Schaefer, you're the man. I mean, Jonathan Schaefer, not Jonathan Schaefer. He has helped me with the Discord. He's like my tech guy. He keeps my head afloat. I appreciate you, brother. God bless you, bro. God bless you. Thank you so much for being a friend. Okay, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. So last but not least, Pyth. Okay, Pyth continues to put in higher lows and higher highs. We're looking for a push continuation here on Pyth. Looking at the daily. Continuation, possibly. Otter Gang, let's go. Jonathan Schaefer, man. Otter Gang. Pyth looking for that continuation to the upside. Getting destroyed by David Brumbelow, just kicking its ass. So we'll see if we can continue our work upwards here. Looking like it wants to push again. Utterly fantastic and utterly amazing. Let's go. I mean, if you want some TA done on Pyth, I would just go to the source and ask Brumbelow. He's just been crushing this. Just crushing this. You can see good support and resistance here, right? And you definitely want to be looking. I love a range and token, right? Where you can look to high, scalp the range, right? Scalp the range. It's come into a new range here. We look for it to continue its way upwards here. Look for that continuation pattern to the upside, man. Look at that. Killing it. Killing it. There's so much love here, guys. Thank you so much. Last but not least, we'll go to ADA because ADA has had a move today. Okay, looking for a cool down on ADA. However, breakout. We had an alarm set on ADA. We got the breakout. We did not take the trade because we just missed the alarm. But that's okay. Make sure to set alarms, my friends. My voice is going. My voice is going. So we can see ADA view up to the moon, posturing to the upside. Money flow coming back in. Double bottom here on ADA, looking to push back up. It is aggressive here. We have our key level of support. It's going to be around 50 cents, psychological 50 cents. And then coming all the way back up to 58 cents is kind of a target here, where we can see the volume kind of kicks off. There is some stops along the way. So you can see 56, 54. But we want to see it hold 50 cents. Nice move from ADA. Continuation to the upside. Massive move, guys. Massive move. So Bitcoin, look for a little bit of consolidation. We're also looking for that swing failure pattern to the downside. We are looking for that 382 bounce continuation for possibly tomorrow. Tomorrow's a bullish day. So let's keep our eyes on the point of control. 42,700. Look for that bounce. We could get it. Otherwise, if we lose the point of control here at 42.7, look to come back down to a good old 42,000-ish area. Okay, so keep your eyes on the prize. Much love to every single one of you guys, man. Like, I will continue to show up for you guys no matter what. I don't feel good at all, but we're here. We're going to have some soup, some chicken noodle soup, and we'll be here live tomorrow. 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys are great. Thank you so much. My camera held off today. It's good. We're just grateful for you guys, man. Thank you so much. Maybe I'm in my feels because I'm sick. But we'll just keep showing up for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of your evening. Practice some good risk management. Touch some grass. Don't touch each other. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Much love. Peace out.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Crypto.